What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Foul Nate, and I'm finally back with another video, man. It's been a minute, man, but your boy's finally back. I know I said I'm gonna stay consistent, but now I'm really about to be consistent because I'm switching it up. Me and the boy Leak, man.
Yes, sir.
We about to be, vlogging or business stuff with this trucking stuff. Giving out free game and all that. You feel me? Just like stay tuned on all that because we about to be giving out free game. To all the people that been hitting us up about this trucking stuff, about business period, we gonna be there to help y'all, you feel me? But right now it's what time is it? 7:43, about to be 8 a.m. you feel me? We about to go to the truck because we got a big thing today, you feel me? I ain't gonna say too much, you feel me? We invested into something today that we've been looking for a minute. So yeah, stay tuned, man. We about to, go to the truck right now, hop in it, drive to the location, and yeah, you feel me? So just stay tuned. I'm gonna vlog all today. Go ahead, bro. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, you feel me? And another thing, turn on that post notification bell. And another thing, make sure you go get some money, man. You feel me? Go get some money, man. Stay tuned.
They tell me that I need to grow up, but I'm just trying to get my dough up. Said they had me, but they never showed up.
Home sweet home. It's about to be a good day today. Let this boy leak in. Ooh, it's a little chilly in here. Ooh wee. Let's start this motherfucker up. Nigga. KW, nigga, Kensworth. Y'all ready for this? Woo! Turn the defrosters on.
Before I take me a L.
Niggas heard I hit his bitch and he ain't take it too well.
Took a picture
On the yard, sent it straight to the fence.
I get money in lump sums, you keep your price up. Heavy ass load.
Like it came off a dump truck. There's a dump truck in front of us too.
Real nigga let my
What'd he say?
When I was bound road,
You ain't have you a car.
jumping out of forest.
What'd he say, Lee? Shane nigga was dance too hard. Heard he blocked his bitch out cause she was staring too hard.
I ain't swiping no currents, I'm pulling straight.
It's a good day, man.
Niggas ran for me, came straight off.
It's a good day.
Had to hit the road, I was
Early bird get the worm, man.
I was gone for a day and was back.
Yeah,
my bitch
went on tour together. Nigga, you and your bitch, y'all look poor together. Nigga,
Club quarter,
they got order ready.
Hey, I'm going to try to hook the order ready.
What'd he say?
In the city, balling on these little
Niggas like I'm Andre. Learn how to put that money up so I'm beyond straight.
Posted on bopping with them bees
Like Beyonce.
Trying to get the money, I don't
Care about the limelight.
We here, nigga, we made it. Let's see the time. 000. We here, man. Yes, sir. Boys bought a trailer, man. We invested into a trailer. Now we got a truck and trailer. We don't gotta use nobody else's trailer no more. We own everything, man. Tell them, Leak. We back in the Berg, man, after a nice investment. You feel me? Boys finally got a trailer, man. We've been looking for a trailer for so long, but the market been so low. And they've been overpricing trailers. So we came across this one, only had 2 left. And we came up on it and just bought it. So now we're gonna be in a better position. Like, if you're a truck driver and you know about power only, that's exactly what we is doing. Picking up other people's trailers and taking them to the destination. But now we ain't gotta do that no more, you feel me? We get loaded with our trailer and go wherever. So now we in a better position. Just stay tuned, man. We're gonna be vlogging a lot with this trucking stuff. Free game. Me and the boy Leak, man. Free game, man.
Free game.
Just stay tuned, man. Words can't explain how happy I am right now. Cause like, I mean, we go through ups and downs, you feel me? But that's
All
what
the
come
time.
with it. And we gonna be vlogging our ups and downs, you feel me? Cause that's what come with it, man. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Just got some good eats, man, from Applebee's. Oh, I almost dropped the camera. You feel me? Yeah, man, we can't get loaded till tomorrow because we pulled up to our destination late, man. So we gotta chill until 5 a.m. But we needed this, man. We need some sleep because we got a long drive. It's like a day and like 4 hours to get to Oregon from where we're at. So we're gonna thug it out. You feel me? I'm gonna watch some Netflix in a little bit whenever we get back to hook up to the trailer. And yeah, man, stay tuned. The boy Leak over there is soggy. Hell yeah. Boys need cuts, but look, we about to do this 90-day grind. Nah, fuck 90 days, 365-day grind. It's up there. We got, I mean, reach for the stores, nigga. It's up there, man. Stay tuned. I can't wait to get loaded. This is gonna be our first load in this trailer. Oh, he ain't even connected. I was about to show y'all. We gotta go hook back up to the trailer. And yeah, chill out until the morning. Hop on the road, you feel me? And get the show on the road, man. But yeah, man, stay tuned, man. Your boy Found Nate. We'll talk to y'all in a little bit.
And I can't choose it like this life is brilliant. Truth is, wake up in the night and I think about granny. Truth is, and I love my bitch. They said my Addy. Truth is, I got all girls on like an Addy. Truth is, you're mad as hell. And to be honest, what he say? And to be honest, that's what this cash and turn say. And to be honest, and I kept on going. And to be honest, what? If I got the poo shicey on, y'all better hide. I said we on the road to riches, so we always drive. Always in my bag, so I'm always fly. Told her I don't love her, so I had her crying. Boys is in Wyoming. Look who's up, y'all. He woke up buzzing in my ear like a bug. This nigga be stinking. We in Wyoming. I'm taking my 30-minute break. Trying to zoom out. Got the truck stop, man. Yes, sir. Diamonds for my bro. These people will never know everything that we've been through. That money didn't never grow. Gotta stop, I'm full of dough. I'm in the UFO. Got a penthouse full of hoes. And they don't wanna go. Walking the club and I'm showing a pole. Laughing, I live it up with baby control. I'm from out of the globe. Me and my niggas take over your turn. It's that shit. With NBA merch. Going off the drink and I need me a nurse. Blast off, I'm astronaut. I ain't from there, I'm alone on earth. I shot to the top just like a rocket. I ain't have a dollar inside of my pocket. Inside of my pocket. Put that on my gang, I swear I ain't stopping. This view is crazy.
We in the mountains.
We in the mountains. Oh, damn. They had to go to the escape room. Hope they good.
They brakes gave out.
Man, nigga, you better feel your P's and Q's so it won't end up like them. That's a lie. Took this bitch, then I read her mind. Took her bitch, cause that bitch was by. What a risk, it'll make you blind. I could drive.
All these trees, can't even see the city.
Y'all there, man. And I'm balling. Yes, sir. 33 miles, man. I like a slide style. I could drive. Got us in the woods.
On these tight ass roads.
It's always the second stop.
Look at that shit.
It's always
It's
the
always.
second stop. Always, bro, with the siphon.
Mm-hmm. They try to give us some bullshit.
This is wild.
There's probably big bears up there.
Oh.
Yeah, this shit look crazy.
They got us in the middle of nowhere. cat's about to pop out, good. What's good, YouTube? I'm back on the camera, man. We went through the most stuff today, man. Y'all seen the obstacle that we just got through like a couple hours ago, you feel me? But we getting loaded. Our next stop is Hopeville, California. We got 1,103 miles. We leaving Oregon, and it's nice out there too. So you feel me? We gonna get out of this soggy weather, man. This rain. You feel me? We gonna keep getting this money, man. Best feeling, man. Get to travel the world. But yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all. It's a desert. Boys is in California. I just woke up. I look rough. Woo. We got our delivery, man. Next day shipping. We made it just in time. 3:30, man. Me and the boy Leak, man. Nobody's messing with us. We was just in Oregon yesterday. Now we in Cali. Y'all see the palm trees? You feel me? Never endings going to the top, man. Next day shipping. We do this, man. Look, we getting unloaded right now. We do this, man. We do this. We better go to the truck stop, chill, get another load for tomorrow, and we out of here. We probably stay in Cali. It's 80 degrees right now. I feel good, man. Feel too good. But stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. It's good, YouTube. We got a pilot, man, at a truck stop. It feel good out here. Feel great. Better get something to eat, man.
So I'm losing. Everybody medicated is loony. Have my number, why you ain't using? I ain't trying to control my temper. It's hard loving a nigga like me.
Said I'll be going to the film.
Look at that sky. We coming from the bird. It's raining there. We in the sun.
I'm so angry.
What he say?
They turned their back on me and left me scarred. I turned my back on him to save my heart.
Never guess when I was tired.
He got me scared for my life.
Loving you is wrong.
And I don't wanna be right. I'm breaking all the rules tonight. Breaking all the rules. I'm breaking all the rules. What is that, apartment? I'm breaking all the rules. I'm breaking all the rules. I'm breaking all the rules tonight. Yeah.
I gotta turn on the anthem.
Uh-oh. Get ready. Get ready.
I got, I gotta turn on the anthem, or I don't know about this.
I am JB Flyboy.
Oh, baby!
Yeah.
Had to walk a whole lot of miles.
Bro, running.
It's safe to say that I'm gonna take the cake for this year.
100 days,
I would
100
say
nights.
try again next year. But
You
next
gotta
year
get my
probably
money
be my
right.
best year. It took a whole lot of blood and sweat tears. I don't owe anybody anything, get that clear. A lot of sleepless nights and a whole lot of grinding. I was gonna say it took forever, but it's perfect timing. Should've
This nigga Leak trying to find somewhere to shit outside. I ain't hop with a camera in a minute. And we still in Cali, man. Boys got a lot of shit done on the truck, man. We got a new fridge. You feel me? We got the inverter so we could watch TV, play the game and all that now. Then we got some stuff done on the outside. I'm gonna show y'all tomorrow in the daytime, though. Stay tuned, man. And then we taking our 34-hour reset in Cali, so we going to go to the mall. We're going to turn it up, man. We're going to turn it up, man. But look at it. He trying to find somewhere to shit. He got his shit outside.
It's one of them desperate moments, man.
Hell no. Say, I ain't even gonna hold y'all. I was about to shit outside this one time. A couple days ago. It was one of them shits that you know what I mean?
Yeah, one of them wake you up out your
One of
sleep
them,
shits.
I start driving. As soon as I start driving, my stomach just was like, nigga, you better stop. Everything. But yeah, stay tuned, man. Telly, man. Boys is in Cali still, you feel me? Better turn it up in Cali, nigga. We out here, nigga. In this beach. Penthouse is wild. Everything. Got the pool, people in the pool.
I shut up everywhere they
What's good, YouTube? I'm mad as hell, man. My phone died while we was out Cali. But I got videos on my phone on how we turned up in Cali and everything, all the stuff we did. We enjoyed ourselves, man. So this video basically is showing y'all what we do on a day-to-day basis on the road. And when we stop at places, like, we have fun, you feel me? So like I said, man, I'm gonna start vlogging about this trucking stuff, this business, so y'all can see the journey, us elevating, and that's just, you know what I mean, going to the top, all of our ups and downs and all that. We're gonna show y'all all that. I look rough, man. I get a haircut tomorrow. I'm back in Pittsburgh. I'm in my crib right now, you feel me? Yeah, man. But yeah, stay tuned, man. But look, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. And another thing, turn that post notification bell on so y'all know when I drop some heat, man. And another thing, go get some money. Go be productive. Get up every day with a new plan, man. Your boy Foul Nate. Your boy Foul Nate is out.